Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. I hope you guys will support me, which will help me to grow in YouTube community. In this first tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful mockup. Just click on File, then choose New. Choose any size you want. Here I'm choosing A4 size. Click on Create. Go to Image, then Image, then go to image rotation and then click on clockwise to make it landscape. Press Ctrl 0 to fit the screen. Now go to File, then choose Open option. At first you have to capture screenshot of your app, or and you also have to download this green screen image from the internet and then put it on a folder, then just click on open. Files are opening in the background. Now drag and drop the image on our document. Press Ctrl 0 to fill the screen. Press Alt and Shift together and fit the image in our document, just like this. Click on OK. Again press Ctrl 0, go to this screen, drag and drop to our screen. I'm going to hide this at first. Click on background layer, then click on adjustment icon and then choose gradient. I'll choose a different color gradient. Click on color and then click here. Any color you can choose, you can change it later. Click on OK. Just click on OK. Now select layer 1, then go to select color range. Click on green color, it will automatically select. OK. Then press delete button to delete it. And hide layer 2. Click on Ctrl D to deselect. Now adjust the image size to fit the screen. I mean to fit the mockup. Rotate it. Just click on OK. Bring the layer 2 down. Rotate little bit like this. Click on OK. Now go to edit option, then choose perspective wrap. Select the point, drag it to the corner, click on warp, then fit the image according to your need. This is perfect. Click on OK. Now click on mask tool. Select brush tool by pressing B. Then press D to select default color and X for inverse, foreground and background color. Now delete the part. Our mockup is almost ready. I'm going to gradient and change the angle. Select reverse, change gradient color, change this green color to white one, which looks pretty good. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now I want to add some text. Click on text tool, then click here, choose the correct or desired font size. I'm going to choose 60, and here I'm going to write my application name, which is banking preparation. At first I'm going to change the text color to white and going to type banking, press enter, banking preparation, click on OK. Again I am going to add some slogan here. This time I am going to select font size of 24 and I am going to write slogan for my app. Click on this icon, click on open, and then